Hey everyone, welcome to the Get RXD channel. In this video, we will guide you through the assembly of the RX3 freestanding tornado rack here. Your rack will arrive in a large crate. Once unboxed, you'll find everything you need to get started. Step 1, start by laying down the two black powder-coated uprights at the back. Hand tighten the back crossbar using 4 M24X130 hex bolts. Next, attach the two side crossbars using 4 more M24X130 hex bolts. Each bolt requires 2 M24 washers, 1 M24 spring washer, and an M24 nut. Repeat this tightening process throughout the build. Install the bottom side crossbars next. Then add the two front chrome uprights, ensuring the outer lips face outward. Step 2, mount the top pulley bracket A to the top of each chrome upright. The pulley end should face upward. Insert the bolt from the front and fasten it with a washer, spring washer, and nut at the back. Repeat this on the other upright. Step 3, install the front pull-up bar to secure the frame. Then add the logo plate at the back. Make sure the 4 front hex bolts on the chrome uprights are facing outward, with the nuts facing on the outside. Step 4, before lifting the rack, fully tighten all bolts using M24 or 36mm, wrenches, or a power tool with a 36mm socket. Carefully tilt the rack upright and position it where desired. Step 5, install top pulley brackets BL and BR onto the side crossbars. Make sure to refer to your owner's manual for the correct hole spacing on your crossbars. And that the GR logo faces outward. Now install bottom pulley brackets, BL and BR. At this step, also ensure to refer to your owner's manual for the correct hole spacing on your crossbars. There's a center hole to install the optional resistance band bracket. Step 6, place 2 rubber pads at the base before inserting the guide rods. Then carefully slide on the weight stacks. Before the last stack, insert the cotter pin into weight stack A. Then secure the pulley frame. This R19 threaded screw and nut are for cable tension. Set the nut in the middle for now, and fine-tune later following the owner's manual. Secure the top of the guide rods using pulley bracket C, which fits beneath pulley bracket B. Also ensure the guide rod bolts are securely fastened. Step 7. Attach bottom pulley brackets, A left and right, using the shorter HUP M24X 120 hex bolts. Install them on the outside of the rack. Before mounting, make sure the bracket installed outside with the aluminum pulley are facing backwards. Step 8. Snap lock each tornado arm into place on the uprights, with knurled handles facing out. Note, make sure to peel the thin film off the UMHW. Then install the back plate using the provided screws.
可是之前就有一些。
Begin the cable routing. Start at the tornado trolley eyelet, position A. B. Route the cable down to the bottom pulleys. C. Up to the side bracket pulleys. D. And down again to the pulley frame. Then back up to the top bracket around. And into the tornado pivot arm. To give yourself slack when reattaching the cable ends, pull some extra cable and secure the weight stack pin in place. Then reattach the cable ends. Also note, not to over-tighten the bolts here for R30. Ensure it can rotate freely. Add your carabiners and D-handles. And you're ready to start training. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.